Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, apply the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather a 10 mm socket, ratchet, trim tool, and a flashlight. Plan about 15 minutes for initial prep. Open the tailgate and remove the inner bed access panel to reach two 10 mm nuts behind the tail light. Work with gloves to protect hands and a soft towel to prevent scratches. Keep the nuts and any plastic clips in a small container so you won't lose the hardware during removal. Remove two 10 mm nuts and one plastic push clip securing the tail light assembly. Use a trim tool to pry out the push clip if needed, then back the nuts off with a ratchet. Carefully pull the tail light straight out while depressing the retention tabs to avoid breaking them. Support the lens with your hand as it clears the body to prevent dropping. Unplug the wiring harness by depressing the connector tab and pulling straight. Set the assembly on a protected surface to avoid scratches. Reconnect the wiring harness and verify all bulbs operate before final installation. Inspect the tail light gasket and replace if torn, then seat the assembly evenly into the body aperture. Reinstall the tail light, secure two 10 mm nuts, and torque them to 5 to 8 ft-pounds for a proper seal. Reinstall the inner bed access panel and any push clips, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Test brake, turn, reverse, and running lights for correct function, and check for any water gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.